20 seconds rest, or wait, was it the opposite? Is walking or running better for weight loss? Well, if you're wondering, the answer might surprise you. As you already know, if you want to lose weight and get and stay lean, you need to be doing regular exercise, I would say 6 days a week. Not high intensity exercise 6 days a week, but you definitely want to be getting in some movement almost every day. The thing with running is running does burn more calories, but weight loss is not only about energy in versus energy out. Hormones play a huge role in weight loss and also the ability to sustain weight loss. So yes, running burns more calories, but you can't run for very long. Also, excessive amounts of running could cause elevated cortisol production. And when you have elevated cortisol, that can increase your chance of actually storing body fat because there's a lot of cortisol receptors around the stomach area. I'm not saying don't run at all. To be totally honest, I do walking and running. I do a very light jog after my resistance training workouts 5 days a week, but walking is the true miracle worker when it comes to weight loss. Walking is an amazing weight loss tool, and it's something I highly recommend you implement and increase in your lifestyle if you're really committed to achieving sustainable weight loss. Now, walking is so powerful because number one, you can do it for longer than you can run. And walking is actually going to lower cortisol because walking, especially outside where you can look off into the distance, it really activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is also known as the rest and digest, which is going to relax the body, relax the nervous system. It's going to increase the flow of digestive juices. It can help to reduce stress and anxiety naturally. If we want, we can do it for 1, 2, or 3 hours. That's going to burn off a lot of energy. It's just an amazing weight loss tool. So for example, I've done experiments before with weight loss. I've followed basically the same type of diet, the same kind of calorie restriction, but with one experiment, I did 3 times a week of HIIT running. So that's high intensity interval training running. So I would do a 5-minute warm up. I would do 20 minutes of HIIT running, meaning doing 20 seconds as fast as you can, like crazy running as fast as you can, 40-second rest, and doing that for 20 minutes and then a 5-minute cool down. So that was one experiment, right? And I did that in addition to my 5 days a week of weight training. And then another experiment, I didn't do any HIIT training. I did do a light jog after my resistance training workouts, but I was doing a few walks during the week for an hour and then a 3-hour walk on Saturdays. And I'm telling you, I lost way more weight, way faster doing the walking experiment. And I believe that's because I was able to sustain walking for longer and also this really decrease in cortisol. So it's really supporting the body to reduce that stress response. And the great thing about running is, you can listen to an audiobook while you're walking. There's different things you can do to entertain yourself. So it's my belief that for weight loss, walking is better than running. I'm not saying don't run at all. Like I said, I do 30-minute little jogs after doing resistance training, and I find that to be really effective for managing my weight. But walking is the true superpower exercise for weight loss. So definitely want to implement that into your routine. I hope this was helpful. If you'd like some more guidance on the best type of diet or lifestyle for weight loss, then definitely grab my Healthy Fat Loss Secrets grocery list in the description box below, where I outline the anti-inflammatory diet, which is the most effective diet for sustainable weight loss. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, share it with your friends, and comment below helpful if this video helped you. I love you guys, and I appreciate you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Hello, my friend. Be sure to check out the videos that I've hand-selected for you here and here, and also subscribe to my channel here. And if there's any video topics in regards to natural health and fitness that you would like me to speak about, then please let me know in the comments below. And also just say hi. I would love to meet you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.